Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys are doing okay. If it's your first time, press that subscribe button. But if you're a returning watcher, viewer, welcome back. Now, today, man, we got Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, straight from Zimbabwe, talking to us about posting various personal items on social media, son, on the internet. You know how it is, man, how some of y'all be, man, in our days, man. Some of y'all Gen Z be doing too much, son, posting all kinds of stuff online, son. So the prophet is here to give us his 2 cents of what he thinks about the matter. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to tune in again for the next one. My name is Bliss, and I'm out.
Never. Some of you, when you do it, you have got friends. It's amazing nowadays that people can invite you to be his friend. Would you want to be my friend? People are asking for that. It's amazing. It's amazing. How can we? I don't know you. I've never seen you. Friends on what basis? What's common about the two of us? And then you begin to interact and you're sharing information. Some of the information that you share, it's personal information that people should not know about, and you expose yourself to a lot of things that you regret. Who knows, tomorrow God might raise you up to become a person, and there is that part of you that you wouldn't want people to remember. There is a part of you that has to be kept to yourself. And some of you people, you have said everything about yourself. You have taken pictures. You have sent your pictures everywhere. And what you don't realize is that you are growing up. Very soon, you are going to be needed. Maybe there is an expertise inside of you which is going to be demanded so much very soon. You are going to apply for a job, and they would want to know you more. They would visit your Facebook. They would try to look around to get information, more information about you, and look at you, look at your pictures, look at the people. Sometimes maybe you were even drunk and you were taking pictures and you're posting them everywhere. There will come a time when people would want to know more about you, and they will not give you an opportunity to explain yourself. They will visit those pages, and you will lose jobs that you qualified for simply because of that side of your life that you've put on the internet. So that can become demonic. You are now exposed. I'm about to close now, so I just wanted to say, I have just come to show you that side so you understand.